Hey guys, this is Luring Gaming, and I am in currently season 4 preparation period, and we got some new building in here. That's season memorial hall. I don't have any idea about that because I have directly jumped to season 4. So let's see what this building does. It said a record of allies who fought together this season. So let's see what this building do. Let's place it here. Okay, then it's done. Oh, there's a globe and tap player guidelines. Acknowledge. Welcome to the seasonal world tour feature. Please read the following current carefully before use. The maps and related content involved in this feature are fictional. They are not related to any real world maps. We strongly oppose any form of religion, blah blah. Then I'll do agree, and then oh, this is a map which is fictional map, you can say. And there are lots of different kinds of land, like land of liberty, rainy mistlands, polar world, golden realm. It's like a last war map. Okay, so here if you tap here, and it's golden realm season 3 going on here. Here season 2 polar storm going on here. Rainy mistlands or land of liberty, maybe they are into season 1 or maybe off season. This is the that kind of map. And here you can get the information about the lands, like season 1 completed any mistland, crimson queen. You can see which map is going under which season, like there is a polar storm going on. So right now here golden realm season 3 going on, season 4 approaching, like our uh, server Sakura Isle. Right now it's approaching season 4, and maybe then there will be season 5, uh, which is not available yet to show. So this is cool, not that much bad, but I don't know what's the purpose of this by placing a building and occupying it in our base. But it's okay, I guess. It's fun, but not much of useful building for any player. So I think it's a waste of time. They could have made it into the event section or something. They don't have to put the building. Maybe they could have used this as a decoration or artifact, but whatever. So this was the building, which is called the season memorial hall. And that's it guys for today. I hope you like this video. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more last war gaming content.